30 mark essay focus. So this is an essay plan for a question based on plate tectonics. We'll focus on the theory of plate tectonics. In any essay focus, you're talking about 13 minutes, give or take, to write an essay for geography, no less, no more. 30 marks here. So let's have a quick look at the question and the marking scheme. So discuss the theory of plate tectonics, the plate tectonics model. So again, just looking a little bit closer at the scheme itself. So credit one named example of a theorist or a theory for an SRP. Bring in a location, a geographical location linked to that theory, another SRP. Diagram will get you an SRP, no labels, no marks. Any extra information on the diagram will get you a second SRP. And again, the question is not tied to Ireland in this capacity. Right, so our intro here for this essay, again, keep it short, keep it sweet, keep it to the point. Again, is going to look at just discussing the plates and how our world is broken up into different plates, or lithosphere is broken into plates. Convection currents then move plates, so explain how convection currents move plates, and then you can discuss how they then ensure that plates collide, separate, and rub against each other at your constructive plate boundaries, destructive plate boundaries, and your conservative plate boundaries. So for the purpose of this essay plan, we're going to have a look at a couple of theories and theorists that you could bring in. Like, a lot of people might only look at two theories here. I'm just going to bring in some more up-to-date, I suppose, areas. But a lot of students writing this essay would probably just focus on your seafloor spreading and your continental drift. So the first one we're going to have a look at is continental drift. So this was put forward by Alfred Wegener. He believed that once upon a time our continents all formed one supercontinent called Pangaea. They then broke up into two other continents called Laurasia and Gondwana land about 200 million years ago. And then that brought us up to today, to the way that the continents are. Now, he believed that all of the continents the way they are today, they generally fitted. So if you looked at Africa and South America, they looked like they would fit together. He also had ideas that in different continents there were matching plants and fossils, matching rock formations, and also matching glacial deposits. Now remember here, this is just me giving you an outline. You would need to have a look at this in more detail and develop some of the points I've given you here. So next one is looking at seafloor spreading. So this is a credit to Ewan and Harry Hess. Mid-Atlantic Ridge was found after World War II. The idea of convection currents, the North American plate and the Eurasian plate pulling apart. Lava makes new sea floor. Also the age of sea floor, so the basalt rock formed and found closest to the mid-ocean ridge was younger, whereas the older one, as the rock pushed away and further away, the basalt rock would have been older, and then comprising of the different ocean sediment that they looked at. The idea here of convection currents was put forward by Arthur Holmes in 1928. Convection currents created due to heat from the core. You go in then again and give a nice definition of convection currents. Because of this, it causes plates to move. And last one here is looking at the idea of subduction zones. And subduction zones are where older oceanic plates sink into the mantle and melt. Process of slab pull pulls your oceanic plate into the mantle.
If you like this video, you'll love our notes. You can get some for free in the link in the description of this video.